ॐ वक्रतुण्डमहाकाय सूर्यकोटिसमप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा। सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणी विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा। साक्षात्कृतं दयानन्दं परमार्थस्वरूपिणं तत्त्वज्ञानप्रशास्तारं प्रणतोऽस्मि परं पदम्। वागर्थाविव सम्पृक्तौ वागर्थप्रतिपत्तये जगतः पितरौ वन्दे पार्वती परमेश्वरौ। येनाक्षरसमाम्नायम् अधिगम्य महेश्वरात् कृत्स्नं व्याकरणं प्रोक्तं तस्मै पाणिनये नमः। वाक्यकारं वररुचिं भाष्यकारं पतञ्जलिं पाणिनिं सूत्रकारं च प्रणतोऽस्मि मुनित्रयम्। ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः। अल्पाक्षरम् असन्दिग्धम् सारवत् विश्वतोमुखम् अस्तोभम् अनवद्यं च सूत्रं सूत्रविदो विदुः। अथ चतुर्थोऽध्यायः चतुर्थः पादः प्राह्वहतेष्टक तेन दीव्यति खनति जयति जितम् संस्कृतम् कुलत्तकोपधादन् तरति गोपुच्छाट्टै नोद्व्यचष्टन् चरति आकर्षात् ष्ठल् पर्पादिभ्यष्ठन् श्वगनाट्ठं च वेतनादिभ्यो जीवति वस्नक्रय विक्रयाट्ठन् आयुधाच्छ च हरत्युत्सङ्गादिभ्यः वस्त्रादिभ्यष्ठन्
वस्त्रादिभ्यष्टन्
विभाषा विबधात्
विभाषा विबधात्
अंकुटिलीकायाः
अंकुटिलिकायाः
निर्वृत्ते क्षद्यूतादिभ्यः
निर्वृत्तेक्षद्यूतादिभ्यः
त्रेमं नित्यम्
त्रेमं नित्यम्
अपमित्य याचिताभ्यां कक्कनौ
अपमित्याचिताभ्यां कक्कणौ
संसृष्टे
संसृष्टे
चूर्णादिनिः
चूर्णादिनिः
लवणाल्लुक्
लवणाल्लुक्
मुद्गादन्
मुद्गादन्
व्यञ्जनैरुपसिक्ते
व्यञ्जनैरुपसिक्ते
ओजस्सगोम्बसा वर्तते
ओजसोऽम्बसा वर्तते
We have seen Ojas Sagombas in Samasa, right? Ojas Sagombas, Saha Ambas in Samasa we have seen. Tat Pratyano Purvamipalobakulam
तत्प्रत्यनुपूर्वमीपलोपकूलम्
Parimukam Cha Prayachati Gargyam
गर्भ्यम्
Kusida Dasheka Dashat Shtachau
कुसीदशैकादशाष्टौ
Unchati
उञ्चति
Rakshati
रक्षति
शब्ददर्दुरं करोति
शब्ददर्दुरं करोति
पक्षिमत्स्य मृगान् हन्ति
पक्षिमत्स्य मृगान् हन्ति
परिपन्थं च तिष्ठति
परिपन्थतिष्ठति
मातोत्तरपदपदव्यनुपदं धावति
धावति
आक्रन्दात् तञ्च पदोत्तरपदं गृह्णाति प्रतिकण्ठार्थललामं च धर्मं चरति प्रतिपथमेति ठंश्च समवायान् समवैति परिषदोऽन्यः सेनायावा संज्ञायां ललाटकुक्कुट्यौ पश्यति तस्य धर्म्यम् अन्मगिष्यादिभ्यः ऋतोऽयं अवक्रयः तदस्य पण्यम् लवनाट्ठै किसरादिभ्यष्टन् शलालुनोऽन्यतरस्याम् शिल्पम् मड्डुजरादरन्यतरस्याम् प्रहरणम् परश्वधाट्ठै च शक्तियष्ट्योरीकक् अस्ति नास्ति दिष्टं मतिः शीलं
शीलं
क्षत्रादिभ्यो नः
छत्रादिभ्यो
क्षत्रादिभ्यो
नः
नः
कर्माध्ययने वृत्तम्
कर्माध्ययने
कर्माध्ययने
वृत्तं
बह्वश्पूर्वपदात् टञ्
बह्वश्पूर्वपदार्थै
हितं भक्षाः
हितं
हितं
भक्षाः
तदस्मै दीयते नियुक्तम्
तदस्मै दीयते नियुक्तम्
श्रानामांसोदनाटिठन्
श्राणामांसौदनाट्खण्डन्
भक्तादनन्यतरस्याम्
भक्तादनन्यतरस्याम्
तत्र नियुक्तः
तत्र नियुक्तः
अगारान्तात् ठन्
अगारान्ताट्टन्
अध्यायन्यदेशकालात्
अध्यायदेशकालात्
कठिनान्तप्रस्तारसंस्थानेषु व्यवहरति
कठिनान्तप्रस्तारसंस्थानेषु व्यवहरति
निकटे वसति
निकटे वसति
आवसतात् ष्ठल्
आवसताच्छल
प्रागिताद्यत्
प्राग्यत्
तद्वगति रथयुगप्रासङ्गम्
तद्वहति रथयुगप्रासङ्गम्
धुरो यड्ढकौ
धरो यडखौ
Did you try pat duplication?
Yeah.
Abhyasa rupam of pat shabda.
Yes.
Pipatish. Then this will have the form pipatish shabda. Shakarantaha. Pullingaha pipatish shabda. Okay. This involves duplication. We are not interested in how the duplication happens, what are the rules, but still some idea about the duplication, abhyasa karyam, you will see. That will be useful for litlakara, sun, yanganta, kosu. Kosu also we are seeing, like Shishruvas, Tastivas, we'll see some more shabda. In all these places, it will be useful. So some abhyasa karya, we will see. Not in detail, just mentioning the sutra. I have added that also in this Sivanta file. Samanya Abhyasa Karyani. Abhyasa Karyas are all in 674 section. So, a lot of sutras are there in the section at the end. Many sutras are there. Some of the important Abhyasa Karya, which we will be using it. It's good to know this. Just a simple meaning, a simple the meaning of the sutra and the application of that we will be seeing. Haladi Sheshaha. First we know Abhyasa, Abhyasta, right? What is Abhyasa?
Duplication.
No, that is.
No.
Abhyasa is duplicate. Abhyasa technically must. When the lit lakara pratyaya or san pratyaya or yin pratyaya or kosu pratyaya are added to the dhatu, then dhatu undergoes dvitvam. Dhatu undergoes dvitvam, duplication. Abhyasa is that which is duplicated. They say reduplicated. I don't know why I say duplicated itself is enough. The reduplication, in English translation, you will see that reduplication, the word. I don't know why reduplication. It is duplication only. Anyway, so Abhyasa is a technical term. Abhyasa. So, when the dhatu is duplicated, so like pat become pat. The first pat, purvaha, that is called abhyasaha. Purvaha, abhyasaha. Ube, both of them is called abhyastam. This is a definition. Sanyas Sutrani. Purvaha Abhyasaha Ube Abhyastam. So in this section only, in which condition, in which circumstances duplication happens, it's given. You can say liti dhatoho anabhyasasya. This is sutram by which in dit lakara dhatus undergo duplication. Similarly, san yangoho sananta and yanganta frequentative. Sananta is desiderative. Icharte is the son. Those. Yanganta is frequentative. Janganyamana Pariyanti Mudaha Dandramyamanaha. In Upanishad, we saw Yanganta, frequentative. Then Shlu, of course, Shlu is Shlau, third Gana. Shab comes and Shab becomes Shlu. Shlu means Lopaha Bhavati. When Shlu, so in all these places you can see the Dhatu getting duplicated, deduplication. So when a dhatu is duplicated, purvaha is called abhyasaha, ude is called abhyastam. That abhyasa, undergoing karyam, changes, is called abhyasa karyam. That is mentioned in the section 7.4. So we will see all this. We see litlakara or third gana or sananta. We will see that. Now here, 7.4 section. At the end, you will see many sutras are there from here, starting from the sutra 7.4, 7.3, 7.4. Atra lopaha abhyasasya 7.4.58 is a sutra. From there, the abhyasa starts up to the 97. All these are abhyasa karyas. Rasvaha, haladi sheshaha, shar purvaha, khayaha, kuhoschuhu. Then when it will not happen, etc. So from here only, I've taken some sutras which may be useful for our Subanta, where we see the words, the dhatus, from which the pratipadikams are derived. You find the duplication there. So it will be useful. So let us take the first Abhyasa Karya Sutra. Haladi Sheshaha 7.4.60. The hal, the consonant at the beginning of the Abhyasa. So Abhyasa means Purvaha Abhyasa. So that beginning, the first one, Purvaha, the first one is called Abhyasa. In that Abhyasa, the first hal, the first consonant will remain. It means, what about the other hull? Other hulls will get dropped. Other hull gets dropped. And also, when we say, okay, by default, we are taking only for simple examples. We are taking only Ekash Dhatu, therefore no problem. If we take Anekash Dhatu, then we have to talk more. That is not required now. Ekash Dhatu, that is Dhatu having one vowel, like Pat, etc. So, when duplication happens, in the Abhyasa, the first consonant will remain, other consonants will drop. Example, Khad, Ekash Dhatu, no problem. Khad, duplicated. This is called Abhyasa. Purvaha Abhyasaha, Ube Abhyastam. So in the Abhyasa, Pratama hal will remain, other consonants will drop. Okay, the vowel will not drop. The vowel will be there. Only the consonants are dropped. Here only one consonant dakara is there, it is dropped. Therefore, you have Kha, Khad. So now Abhyasa here, what happened is Abhyasa Karya. First hal retained and the other hal dakara is dropped. Kakhad. This is not yet over. Further, it will undergo some process. This is first Abhyasa Karya. Similarly, Pat. First Pat is Abhyasa.
Shamitanji, do we
Yes.
take ka, dirgha, or just ka, raswad?
Ka only. This is not over. It is going to happen, something going to happen
Oh,
later.
okay.
This is not yet
Okay.
over, I said. This only for this sutra
Mhm.
stops here.
So
This
along
will
with
undergo
the,
further.
okay.
This will
Okay.
undergo further Abhyasa Karya. It will come later.
Okay.
This is, we're not stopping here. Only for this sutra, this is the example. Okay. Similarly, Pat. So, okay, it means if it is confusing, then I have to put, it will continue. Okay, going to continue, not yet over. Similarly, Pat Dhatu, Pat, Purvaha Abhyasaha, Ube Abhyast. Abhyasa, Pratamahal, Pakara will remain, Takara will drop. Pakara will remain, Pakara, of course, with the vowel only. Vowel will not drop. So, Papat. Similarly, Dhan, another Dhatu, Dhan. Dhan, Purvaha Abhyasaha, Ube Abhyastam. Then Dhan, Dakara will remain, Nakara will drop. Dadhan. Similarly, Nij, the Nij, Br, Br, then Dakara will remain. Of course, here there is no other hal. Bakara and Dakara, no other hal. Pratama hal is Bakara, therefore Br. Then Vand, and Nakara and Dakara, they are not the first consonant. That will drop. So Vavand. Dhyai, Dhyai Dhatu becomes Dhya. You know how it is, how it becomes Dhya. How?
Akaranta, it will take that.
How?
At.
Recently also we saw.
Yeah,
In,
yeah.
They get
what?
Agent
Agent Dhatu.
Agent.
Agent Dhatu, I, Malai, Glai, etc. Gai, right? When followed by Ashiti Pratyaya. I, Echaha will be replaced by A. Echagastane, Akaraha Adesha Bhavati. Adeshaha Upadeshe Ashiti. Ashiti. We have seen, right?
Yes.
So, here you are going to undergoes duplication, means you are going to add either Litlakara or San Pratyaya or Yang Pratyaya or Shlu, right? Of course, in Shlu it will not happen because it is Shit. Okay, it's not Shlu. Litlakara you take, a Sananta you take, right? The duplication going to happen. So, therefore, when followed by Ashit Pratyaya, Echaha Stane, Akaraha Adesha Bhavati. Therefore, Dhya you take. Dhya is the Dhatu. Dhya becomes Dhya. That's how you get Dhyanam, Dhyata, Dhyaya, etc. Right? So now Dhya, duplicate. First letter is Dakara, that will remain. What about Yakara will drop. Akara, that will be there. Vowel will not get dropped. Only the first consonant. Only the first consonant is first consonant along with the vowel retained. Other consonants are dropped. So therefore here, Dha, Dhya, it will be. Not yet over again. It's going to happen. Everywhere it is like that only. Here also, puppet is not over. What is the form we get? We saw in last class. It is pipet, right?
Yeah.
A is replaced, here Akara is an Abhyasa. That is replaced by Ikara. So that's what going to come later. Okay. This is first Abhyasa Karya. Sequence you can follow. Same sequence. Then Kshal Dhatu. Ksha is conjunct consonant. Kshal. First letter is Kakara. Second letter, Buddhani Shakara. Drop it. And Lakara also. Drop it. Therefore you have Ka, Kshal. Then yeah, this is okay. This is Kshal. Then next one, Anekach Dhatu. Anekach Dhatu. No problem here also. Anekach. Anekach first the Dhatu is not Ajanta Ajadi Dhatu. It is Haladi. Haladi means beginning with the Hal. So no problem here. Simple here also. So when Jagra is there, then what you duplicate? I will just mark it here. That is Ja like this. Jakara plus A. Anekach Dhatu. Dakara plus R. So two vowels are there. In all the other examples, only one vowel. So no problem. In this cases, when two vowels are there, what you have to do, when you duplicate, take from the first vowel. For the haladi dhatu, we are talking about now. Okay, not ajadi. Haladi. That is dhatu beginning with a consonant. Anyway, we will not get into ajadi and all. Don't worry. Just see this one alone. Here the vowel is the akara. So what here before akara, whatever the consonants are there? Here only jakara is there. Before jakara, nothing is there. So start from jakara. Similarly, after the vowel, whatever the consonants are there, up to the vowel, up to the next vowel. So the whole thing, right? Jag, that gets duplicated. So therefore, you have jag, jagru. That is for the vowel is there. Before the vowel, whatever the consonants are there, up to the preceding vowel. Here there is no other vowel. So therefore, jakara is included. Similarly, the following consonant up to the next vowel, not vowel is excluded, not included. So up to the next vowel, that is up to gakara. So jag. So jag is repeated, duplicated. So jag is the abhyasa, ube abhyastam. Is it clear? This is
Yes, Ji.
this duplication happens. Here we are going to apply now haladi sheshaha. So here we have jakara and gakara. Gakara is not at the beginning. Therefore drop it. Therefore you will have ja jagru. Ja jagru. That is the duplicated form. It is not yet over. It will undergo further change. Okay. Similarly, wish. Wish. Then we wish. Here also it is not, it is the dhatu is originally gai dhatu. Ejanta dhatu. So that will be replaced by akara 6145, I think. So that we have seen. Ade chaha upadeshe ashiti in first gana, vadigana. That we have seen. So therefore ga. So ga. Then that is ga is the abhyasa, ube abhyastam, ga you get. So my dha become dadha, dadhati. In Mera Suttam it is there. Dadhati. Mayi medha, mayi prajam, mayi indra gindriyam dadhatu. Dadhatu.
Shamitanji, here it is
Yes.
da or dirgha only, no? Da.
Why this question? We have not done anything to the
No, you are telling dadati, no? So
dadhati in Mera Suttam is there. There dadhati, third ganadhatu, duplication you see. That's what I tell you. Not that is a kriya padam. Here you have not added anything, right? Here we have not added what the pratyaya at all. I'm just saying the dhadhatu, when it undergoes duplication, the first transformation, what happens to that is dhada. Then it will undergo further transformation. That is what I said in the beginning itself. Not yet
Yeah.
over. It's going to continue.
okay.
In fact, the form is not yet over. The form will be chakada. For example, litlakara, pratama purusha, ekavachanam, the form is chakada. But here we are having khada, not yet over. We're going to, after that, some other abhyasa karya will happen. But everywhere it's like that. Dadati, I just told it's an example for the litlakara where duplication happens. Okay. Dish then. Dish dhatu, dish. Here also. Just focus only on aladi shesha. That is our interest. The dish. Then which. Then tur. Pratama hal is retained. Repa, that is other hal, dvitiya, tritiya hal or drop. Tur. Similarly, bas becomes babas. Jan, jajan. Da dhatu. Da. This will become dada, dadati, dadataha, dadati. Third gana. Pratama purusha, ekavachanam. Dadati, it will be da will become the next time abhyasa karya. That is. Similarly, glai is gla. Then lakara is not the first hal, therefore that is dropped. After dropping, you will have gakara plus a. Therefore, ga, gla. Now, taking the glai, just an example for lit lakara form. Glai plus lit. Glai plus lit lakara. Lit lakara, lakara pratyaya, original pratyaya is tit. For lit lakara, tit will be replaced by null. Null atus us, tal atus a, null va ma, that is a pratyaya. Pratyaya adesha. So tip is replaced by null for lit lakara prathama purusha ekavacham. Null is a nit pratyaya. You can note it is a nit pratyaya. Therefore, what will happen? When ni follows, whatever the karyam supposed to happen, that will happen. If anga is ready, if anga has got the ik letter, igantar, penultimate shortic, etc. Now, glai is agent dhatu followed by not a shit pratyaya. Therefore, adechaha upadeshe ashiti will apply. So, echakastane akara adesha gla. And this is a lit lakara pratyaya. Therefore, duplication happens. So, gla. Then haladishesha, this sutra, this will apply. The first consonant will remain. Therefore, you will have gagla plus null. Here, no angakarya possible. Content of null is a. And this is a sarvadhatuka pratyaya or adhadhatuka pratyaya.
Adhidhatukam.
No doubt, right?
Yeah,
It is adhadhatukam sheshaha. Then after that, adhadhatukam sheshaha litcha sutram is there.
yeah,
Then
lecture.
linga shishi, ashi linga also adhadhatuka. Stingshit sarvadhatukam, ardhadhatukam sheshaha, litcha, linga shishi. Don't forget that what is sarvadhatukam, what is adhadhatukam, where we have to see that which section, which chapter. Which chapter? At least chapter, not section. Which chapter is defined?
Okay, definition first chapter.
First chapter. No.
No?
First chapter, it's
Is it
okay.
not Sanya?
This is something important. We have seen in Ashtadhyayi class very elaborately.
Yeah.
Sutra.
Third chapter.
This is defined in the third chapter. Why it is,
Okay.
all we saw.
There, okay.
Yes.
Third chapter, 34113, Tingshit Sarvadhatukam.
Last.
First chapter, of course, Sanyas are defined, but here it's a reason to define it here also. In this chapter only, if it is defined first chapter, you know what will happen? Tingshit Sarvadhatukam, then it is applicable universally. Third chapter, fourth chapter, fifth chapter also, right?
Yeah.
What about fourth chapter, fifth chapter? Are they Sarvadhatuka Pratyayas? Do they deal with Sarvadhatuka? No, they are also Bantas, right? 4 and 5. Only the third chapter deal with the Pratyayas added to Dhatu. Only those Pratyayas can take a Sanya Sarvadhatukam or Adhadhatu, not the Supratyayas or Tadita Pratyayas or Vasanta Pratyayas. They don't take with the Sanya. Sarvadhatukam, when we say, it is only for Dhatu. Dhatu plus Sarvadhatuka Pratyaya, Kartari Sarvadhatuke, Shap, etc. Those things comes. So therefore, it has to be in third chapter only. Third chapter, okay, can be in the first section, second section. It is at the end. Tingshit Sarvadhatukam, Ardhadhatukam Sheshaha. The remaining are Ardhadhatuka. Litcha, that is a sutram. Litcha. Therefore, lit lakara Ardhadhatuka Pratyaya. Linga Shishi, ling also. What ling? Ashi ling, not Vidiling. Letter lung lot ling is lingar sarvadhatuka. Sarvadhatuka lakaraha. Ashir ling is adhadhatuka lakara. So therefore lit is adhadhatuka lakara. Therefore null is adhadhatuka pratyaya. Okay. So adhadhatuka pratyayam, then if it is valadi, itagama will come. Those things are there. Anyway, here there is no such problem here because it is not valadi. Just a note, adhadhatuka pratyaya null. So when adhadhatuka pratyaya follows, akaranta dhatu. This is now akaranta dhatu. This is dhatu or not? Yes, it's a dhatu only. It's a dhatu. Akara, what will happen? Ataha, lopaha. Okay, that is the next one. Will happen. I think I have mentioned later that, but I will do that later. That is ataha lopaha. Now, that we will see. Ataha lopaha. Akara of this dhatu will become lopaha when followed by adadhatuka pratyaya. Those Sundal, we are not interested now. Anyway, just an example. Let us not get too much into the example. Now, the second thing, here you see, Ga is the Abhyasa. That becomes a short Abhyasa Karya happens. That is going to come the next one. Hasvaha, that is the next Abhyasa Karya. Dirga will become Hrasva. Dirga of the Abhyasa will be replaced by Rasva. So Rasva is the Adesha. When we say Rasva, it has to come only in the place of the vowel of the Abhyasa. Here the vowel of the Abhyasa is Ga, Akara. So Akara is replaced by Akara. Therefore, Gagla. This is what is applied here. Okay. This is the next one. In this, I have given all these Abhyasa Karya, but it's with Abhyasa Rasvaha is going to come later. We will see. So here the example is complete. So 7459 is applied. By that, Rasvaha is ordained for the Abhyasa. Gagla becomes Gagla. Gagla plus null. Then one more Abhyasa Karya is which is going to come. That also we will be seeing. Don't worry. So now that is the next one. That is Kuhos Chuhu. That is in the Abhyasa. If Chavarga letter is there, Kuhoho. If Chavarga, Kuhoho, Kuhos Chuhu. Chavarga letter is there. Kavarga letter and Hakara is there. That will be replaced by corresponding Chavarga letter. Kuhos Chuhu. Another Abhyasa Karya is going to come. 7462 it is. That is Kavarga letter, Kakagaganga, or the soft sibilant, Hakara. If it is there, will be replaced by the corresponding Chavarga letter. Here Gakara is replaced by Jakara. So Jagla happens. This is next Abhyasa Karya, which is we are going to see come later. So this 7462. Okay. Then you have now Jagla plus null. There is another rule is there, 7134, by which null is replaced by au. All those things are not required for us now. Just given ataha au nalaha, that is sutra. That is akara on the when null follows the akara on the dhatu, null will be replaced by au. Null will be replaced by au. Then after that, what will happen? That here akara also ataha lopaha also will happen. Then jagl plus au, you will have jaglav. The final form is jaglav. Jaglav means gla means to fade. So jaglav means remote past, faded. Jaglav. Shakuntala jaglav. Shakuntalayaha mukam jaglav. It means it faded. So it is like that we can say you will see in the story, Ramayana, Mahabharata, Ramodantam, etc. Okay. In Gita, we have Shankan, Dadmau, Pratak. What is Dad? The Dhatu is Dma Dhatu. Dhamati, Dhamataha, Dhamanti. There also same thing happens. It is Dma. The Dma, duplication. Dma. Then this is Dha is remained. This Mahaprana is replaced by Alpa Prana, Dakara Dad, Dadma plus null, and null is replaced by, there also it is au. Then we will have Dadma plus au becomes Dadmo Shankan, Dadmo Pratak, Dadmo, Dadmatuhu, Dadmuhu. So the Gita is there. Okay. Anyway, we are not interested in how this form is there, because otherwise from Subanta we will go somewhere. Just to show you, give you this example. This is how it happens. That is, null is replaced by au. Okay. So you can see null is replaced by au. There are also dhma dhatu, akaranta. When akara, null follows the akaranta dhatu, then null is replaced by au. So dhma also akara. So similarly, gai also, gai or glai, etc. will happen. So this is one just example to show you litlakara, how the duplication happens and form comes. We will see all the forms and all later when we see litlakara. Now rasvaha you see next abhyasa karya. Don't focus too much on how this is derived. That is not our focus. Just to show you how the abhyasa happens, you get the form. I gave this example. Then rasvaha, next one. Abhyasa of an anga takes rasvadesha. Take some examples. And also you can take the examples from here also. It's not yet over. So kakada becomes kakada. Wherever dirgha is there, make it rasva. Dhadhya becomes dadhya. Kakshal becomes kakshal. Jagra becomes jajjagri. Ga becomes gaga. Dha becomes dadha. Da becomes dada. Similarly, jagla, etc. will happen. That is rasvaha. Some examples are given. Dauk. Dauk is a dhatu. So becomes dauk. So dauk here, pratama, hal, aladi sheshaha, retained, kakara is dropped. Therefore, you will have dauk. Dau is dirgha, replaced by rasva. What is the rasva of au? Rasva letter of au? Au is dirgha. Dirgha should be replaced by corresponding rasva letter. What is its rasva? Rupam. Yes.
Woo, you have written.
How do you know it is who? Vriddhi of who is au. Vriddhi of e is I, right?
Mhm.
How do you
Yes.
know it is
Vidradej.
rasva of, we know, vriddhi letter of rasva letters, we know, ukara is
This
au,
H.
ikara is I. We have sutra for this also.
Yeah.
Vriddhi of H letter. A, I, O,
Vidradej,
O. Not Vriddhi Rajesh. A, if suppose if it is A is there. What is the rasva letter of A? Rasva rupam of A? Rasva, suppose. Yes, it is. It is E. What about I? That is also E only. O also E only. O also, sorry, O also is U. O is U.
Oh,
O is U. Okay. So H letters are all dirgha, right? Will be replaced by ik letter. So H being A, O, I, O. Ik letter being E, U, R, L. So A is Kanta, Talu. Therefore, corresponding rasva is E only. Therefore, E will come. If E is ordained, if rasva is ordained. And O is Kanta, Oshta. Therefore, corresponding Oshta letter is Ukara. Therefore, Okara should be replaced by Ukara if rasva is ordained, right? Similarly, I must be Ikara, O must be Ukara. Is it clear? Right?
yeah.
We are not just inferring this. Sutram. Echaha ik sarasvadeshe sutram is there. Where? Just to note, all these things are incidental. This separately, we cannot see all this sutra. It comes, the process, you can note it down in the first section. Echaha ik sarasvadeshe. Where is that in the screen?
48.
48. Do you see that? Echaha ik grasvadeshe. What is grasvadeshe? It is rasva sandhi. Okay. Echaha stane ik adeshaha. Ik rasva adeshaha bhavati. If rasva is ordained, echaha stane ik adeshaha bhavati. Understand? Is it clear?
Yes, Chief.
Okay. This is a sutra. Please note it.
Yeah.
See, the sutra and all separately we will not see. Okay, it is there, just to note it. There are nothing there to explain also in that sutra. It's very clear.
1/4
Huh? What is it?
1/4 section G, is it?
1148. First chapter.
1/1.
First
Okay,
chapter.
1/1. Okay.
Echaha is stani. Echaha stane. Ik rasva ik adesha. Rasvadesha. If rasva is ordained, ik adesha bhavati echaha stane. Okay. Fine. So therefore, I showed you the screen, right? No?
Yes, Chief.
Here it is, yeah. 148. First chapter, first section, 48th sutra. Okay, now come back here. So dove will be replaced by do, right? Therefore it becomes do dauk. Oh, I have given here 1148. You can see it, right?
Yeah, Chief.
Okay. I'm not saying it. Then kad what we derived. Kad becomes haladish, kad, then haladisheshaha, kad, then ka will become kakad, not yet over. Abhyasa, not yet over. Yet kakara will be replaced by chakara, that is next abhyasa karya. Please note, everywhere it is not, it's not complete. Okay. Then lu, lunj dhatu, lunati, lunitaha, lunanti, ninth gana dhatu. So lu, u is dirgha. U is dirgha anyway, that will be replaced by shatu. That's no problem in that. Father, we need a sutra. We understood, right? Not required. Only for H, we have sutra. Echaha ik rasva deshi. Rasva of ukara is u. For that, we don't need a sutra. Sutra not there. Okay. Lulu. Then ni becomes ni, then rasva desha, ni. So abhyasa, if it is dirgha, please note, after aladishesha, you have to make it rasva. This is a step you can remember. Then this is also ninth gana. Pranati, pranitaha. So this what will happen? Then become pr. Then next one. Save dhatu. Save. Then say will be there. Vakara is dropped. Aladisheshaha. Then say will be a. Dirgha will be replaced by rasva, which is e. Therefore, save. You get save. Similarly, ghost, and aladisheshaha. Therefore, go only will remain. That shakara takara drops are dropped. Then ghost. Then o is replaced by ghost. And doubt already we have given. Not required. Okay. This is Rasvaha 7459. Is it clear? Two Abhyasa Karyas. Then
Yes,
the
Chief.
third one, already in the last class I told. I forgot this in fact. Anyway, Sharpurvaha Kaya. When I was doing only, I was recollecting this Sharpurvaha Kaya. Only Aladisheshaha only I was remembering. This Aladisheshaha, this is Apavada to Aladisheshaha. Okay. What is Sharpur? Must understand what is Kai letter? What are the Kai letters? Kappa Chatato, Kapai, right?
Kapai. Yeah, 2 and
2. Right? Second letter of all the classes.
Yes.
And that's a Vartikam. Oh, okay. Vartikam is for Shar letter. Okay, we will come to that. What is Sharpurvaha Kayaha? That is Shar. Okay, what samasa is that? You know what samasa? I can guess. Not guess. That is for guessing. You know what it is. Sharpurvaha Kayaha. Sharpurvaha Kayaha. What samasa is that? Kayaha is qualified by the word Sharpurvaha. What samasa could it be?
Shashti.
Huh?
Adarya.
Sorry, Karmadharya. No. Not Karmadharya. Kayaha is qualified, described by this word.
Tatpurusha, no?
Tatpurusha. Really?
No.
Qualified. So, Bhagavri samasa. Shar.
Bhuri. Okay.
Purvaha. Yasya. Saha. Kayaha. Like, if you remember that Sharpare Kar and Karpare Shar.
Sure, yeah.
Once upon a time we saw all these things. Sandhi.
Yeah, yes.
Right? What is Sharparekar? Okay, what happens? What do you mean by Sharparekar? It means Rishayaha, this is from Gita only. Rishayaha Kshina Kalmashaha. Here, what
We
should be?
retained the Visarga when followed.
By what rule?
Sharparekar.
Here, what is the first letter? What is the first
Shar,
letter?
shar,
Shar letter.
kakara,
What?
kakara, no?
Kakara.
Kar,
Kar letter, which is followed in turn
by
by.
shar letter. Shar letter.
That is what Sharparekar. Sharparekar means Kar letter. Sharparekari. Suppose if I say Sharparekari. Kar letter follows, but the Kar letter is qualified by this word. That is, Kar letter is followed by Shar letter. Sharparekari visargasya sthane visargaha adeshaha bhavati. Right? Rishayaha
Yes.
kshina kalmashaha. Suppose if it is other way. I'm just taking the example like that. Rishayaha plus something. Okay. Some example is not important. Staniyaha, suppose. Here, what is the first letter? Shar letter. Shar is followed by Kar letter. Therefore, this is what? This is Karpareshwari. Karpareshwari, right?
Yes.
Karpareshwari Kimbhavati.
Visarga is dropped.
Visarga is optionally dropped.
Optionally drop.
In fact, you have three forms. Followed by Shar letter, therefore, Vashari. Therefore, you will have Visarga is replaced by either by Sakara or Visarga can be as it is, right? Visargasya sthane Visarga adesha bhavati. Right? Visarga or Visarga can be dropped. Vashari is, okay, Vashari is this optionality of Visarga to be replaced by Sakara. Therefore, you can replace Visarga by Sakara or you can just leave it as it is, or by this Vartika. One Vartika is, please see Sandhi chart, Sandhi we saw there, Visarga is dropped. Therefore, you will have the form like that, Rishaya, Sthaniyaha, something like that. This example is not a proper example because there is no Rishaya, Sthaniyaha, something, some words, okay. So, Rishaya, Sthaniyaha will be the form. So the point here is, what is Karpare? Bahuvri Samasa. Kar, Paraha, Yasya, Saha, Kaha, Shar. Similarly, Shar, Paraha, Yasya, Saha, Kaha, Kar. So don't take as it is. We don't take as it is, right? No, not the Shar letter first and then Kar letter. It is Kar followed by Shar. Similarly, here, Shar followed by Kar. Understand?
Yes, Ji.
Yes.
Sharparekar. Yes.
Similarly, here also, that is Bahuri Samasa. Therefore, when we say Shar Purvaha Kayaha, so therefore, Kai letter is qualified by Shar. It means, what is the first letter? The range, the sequence. First letter
Kai
is
letter is followed by shar.
Kai letter not followed. Purva.
Kai is preceded by.
Therefore, first letter must be
Shar.
in the Abhyasa. The first letter has to be Shar,
Shar.
followed by
Kai.
Kai letter. Understand? So you
Yes.
see the example.
Shar Purvaha. Okay.
Shar Purvaha, not Paraha. Paraha
Yes,
just
yes.
but example
Yes,
I
yes.
told that.
Yes.
Sparda dhatu you take. What Sparda dhatu when you do Abhyasa, when you do duplication, Sparda. Haladishesha had to be applied. If Haladishesha is applied, then Sakara will be retained, right? But this sutra walks in and says, no, I'm Apavada. Therefore, what will happen here? Pakara is Kar letter. Sakara, Pakara, Akara, Repa, and Dakara. This Repa, Dakara, you can drop Aladishesha, right? Yeah, I mean, not by Aladishesha, this sutra is applied. Even this sutra, what says, Sharpurvaha Kayaha, that will remain. Other things will drop. Other things will drop means Repa and Takara will drop. Okay, that is drop, you know. Now here, Sakara and Pakara, Shar letter followed by Kai letter. Therefore, here, what will happen? Which is retained in Abhyasa, if Kai is preceded by Shar, then Kai is retained. So this is apavada to aladishesha. Aladishesha says first consonant is retained, but here if the first consonant happens to be shar, that is dropped. The following kai letter is retained. Therefore, pa. Therefore, you have paspard. Is it clear?
Yes, ji.
Is it confusing otherwise? Last class we saw stada.
Yeah, we saw that.
So sta, tasta. Okay, that is the same thing applied, but I was not able to remember that time the sutra because all these things. The Gurukulam I taught this long back. Long back means 2 years before. Forgotten. This is Pavada to Aladishesha. Okay. So when a conjunct consonant comes, you will see such forms. The conjunct, and there's a Vartikam to this. It says Shar, it should be Kar Purvaha Kayaha. Anyway, it's okay. Kar Purvaha. Shar Purvaha is there. Vartikara says, no, you can say it is Kar Purvaha. Whatever it is, we are not interested in that now. So this alone you understand. Spard becomes Spard, and this sutra 7461 Shar Purvaha Kayaha will apply, by which all the consonants are dropped except the Kai letter, which is preceded by Shar letter. Is it clear?
Yes, ji.
Yes? All of you
Yes,
follow
ji.
this?
Yes.
Another example. Stadatu. This is our example. Last class we saw. Sta. So Sakara is a Shar letter and the Takara is so you have to say like this. Takara Kar preceded by Shar. So that it becomes clear. We don't get unnecessarily confused. So Kai letter will remain. The Takara will remain. Sakara will be dropped. So sta. Then Aladisheshaha, tasta. Not yet over. Further Abhyasa Karya will happen. So now 3 Abhyasa Karya we have seen. Aladisheshaha, Rasvaha, Shar Purvaha Kayaha Apavada to Haladishesha. Now the next one. Only important Abhyasa Karya I have given here. Kuhos Chuhu. What is Kuhos Chuhu? Ku Oho Chuhu. Chuhu is the Adesha. Opposite of Kutvam. Choho Kuhu. This is Kuhos Chuhu. One more letter is the Ha, that's all. Right? Choho Kuhu. What is Choho Kuhu? Chavarga will be replaced by Kavarga, when followed by Jal or at the end of the Padam. This is different. Abhyasa Karya, quite opposite. Ku will be replaced by Chu, and also Hakara is there. So Kavarga letter and Hakara will be replaced by Chavarga. Okay, you tell me. Hakara will be replaced by Chavarga means which letter of Chavarga will replace Hakara?
Jha, that is
Mahaprana, Jakara, right?
Yeah.
Mahaprana, Jakara we have seen.
Yes, ji. Gakara will be the for that tree.
One of the Chavarga letter has to replace means Hakara being a
fourth class.
Mahaprana. Yeah, therefore Mahaprana of Chavarga is second letter or fourth letter, right?
Fourth letter, yes.
Cha and Jha. Cha happens to be Katora Vyanjanam, hard consonant. And Hakara is a soft sibilant. Therefore, Chakara cannot come. Therefore, what is left out? Jakara. That alone will be the Adesha, right? And
Yes.
Kavarga, no problem. Kavarga correspondingly replaced by Chavarga. Is it clear?
Yes, yeah.
All of you. It's clear now? Kukos Chugu. Simple sutta this is.
Yes.
Will apply. So now you see Kan. Aladisheshaha, Kakan. Then Kakara is replaced by corresponding Chavarga letter, Chakan. Okay. And after that, one more thing has happened. We will see that. If this is going to come, you will understand why it is this. In fact, simple one. Here, Chakara is replaced by Magaprana Chakara replaced by Chakara. Abhyase Charcha. Where is that?
Yes.
That is going to come anyway, another Abhyasa Karya, but here I have given, that's why I will see that also. The next Abhyasa Karya. What is Abhyase? Where is Abhyase Charcha? Where is Chartva Vidhi? Which chapter, which section Chartum is there? Sandhi and all we have seen, all Sandhis. Chartvam 8455, right? Jalam, Jashi, and all those things we apply after all those things at the end, 8455. 8456. The Tripadi, we last section, we have this sutra. Charta Vidhi number 1, Charta Vidhi number 2, right?
Yes. Yes. Yeah. 84.
What is Charta Vidhi says? What is Charta Vidhi says?
Karicha.
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 Explain what is that means.
Jal followed
Charla-
by kar.
Kal followed by good.
Kar will be replaced by char.
That is what 8455, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
This is anuvritti of char from here. So when jal
Okay.
letter followed by kar letter, then char will be the adesha, right? And here you have abhyasa. That is the sutra applied. Abhyase means in the abhyasa, jal will be replaced by char letter. Char, cha. Here char, cha is there. One more. What is cha? Cha means, cha is in, says, jal will be replaced by char. Jal will be replaced by this jash also. It means jal letter has got 4, 3, 2, 1, all the sibilants, right? Yes or no? 4, 3, 2, 1, all sibilants, right?
Yes. Yeah.
Yes, Ji.
And jash letter is third letter.
Only
Right.
third class. Yeah.
So fourth letter of all the classes, third letter of all the jal letter will be replaced by jash, and second letter of the jal, second letter of all the classes, and first letter of all the class will be replaced by char. That is
Char,
what abhyasa
okay.
char says. That is distributed. Okay. First letter and second letter of all the classes replaced by char,
Third and
and
fourth.
third
replaced
letter
by
and fourth letter of all the classes replaced by jash.
Josh.
That is what abhyase char, cha, chakara brings jash also. We'll see that sutra. The next sutra is that. In the example, it is here. That's why I said this. Now, this is a sutra. In fact, we have not seen the sutra, only Karicha Vavasane event, because that time context was not there. Now you see. This chakara being a jal letter and it is abhyasa. So abhyase char adeshaka bhavati. This is second letter of the class. So if it is first letter of the class or second letter of the class, it is replaced by char. Char happens to be the first letter. So second letter or first letter or second letter is of the class is replaced by first letter. Third letter and fourth letter will be replaced by third letter. That is jash. So in simple, abhyasa must be replaced by char and or jash, not and or jash. Jash will come if the abhyasa has third letter or fourth letter. Char will come as an adesha if the abhyasa has first letter or second letter. Here second letter is therefore replaced by chakan. Now this is the form, final form. Chakan is the duplicated form of kan. Similarly, kru dhatu. Kru becomes kru. And kru is one more rule is that we are going to see. Kru becomes, it is rikara, right? If it is rikara, then what happens? One more abhyasa karya is that going to come later. I tell right away now itself. If abhyasa has rikara, ru will be replaced by a. Ru will be replaced by akara. Then what will happen? If rikara replaced by akara, repa will be appended. Yes or no? We know. Urandraparaha. Whenever an, a, e, u are replaced by, rikara is replaced by an letter. Yes. A, e, or u. Then repa will be appended to it. Therefore, in the abhyasa, if rikara is there, when it is now, it is replaced by a, therefore kar, we get kar. That is also another abhyasa karya, we will see. In the example, it's given completely here. Okay. So kar kru you have. Otherwise, I see, without this, I cannot show you this example. Therefore, I have to mention this. Okay. Kar kru. Now, aladi shesha you apply, repa is dropped, kakru. Now, this is the first letter of the class consonant. Therefore, okay, that is before that. Kugostugu you apply. Kugostugu. First letter, therefore, it is abhyasa charcha, char only will come. But anyway, char is at the end, 8-4 section. That you can apply later. Now, this Kugostugu will apply. This is Kavarga replaced by corresponding Chavarga letter, which happens to be Cha. Now already first letter is there. Replace it by Char, which is happens to be Chakara only. Therefore, Chakru. Understand? Therefore, you get Chakru. Is it clear?
Yes, Ji.
First step is duplication. Kru, kru. Second step, if Rikara is there, the Abhyasa, replace it by A. When it is replaced by A, you get Ar. Therefore, Kar, Kru. Haladi Sheshaha. Only the first consonant is retained. Other consonants are dropped. Repa is dropped. Therefore, Kakru. Then the previous one, Kugos Chugu will apply. Kugos Chugu will apply. Kugos Chugu has gone, right? Oh, that's what we are saying. Sorry. That's what we are saying. Kugos Chugu will apply. So, Kakara happens to be the first letter. Therefore, Kakara, Kugos Chugu. So, Kakara or Hakara is replaced by corresponding Chavarga letter. Therefore, Kakara is replaced by Chakara. And after that, Abhyase Charcha, that sutra what we saw. The first letter or second letter replaced by the Char letter, which happens to be here, it is the same thing, Chakara only. The first Chakra you get. Now, just to for your understanding, if now Litlakara of this form, Chakra plus null, then what will happen? Kuru will take Vriddhi. You will get Kar. And the content of null is A. Therefore, you will have Chakara. Chakara means he did. Chakara, Chakrutuhu, Chakruhu, Jagama, Uvacha, all this Litlakara Rupam. Okay. Litlakara Pratama Purusha Ekavacham. Anyway, the duplicated form is Chakru. Is it clear? Chakru.
Yes, Ji.
Any doubt in this? Here, the other Abhyasa Karyas also applied. That is going to come, you will see. Then Gam Gam. Then Gam becomes Gam Gam. Aladi Sheshaka Gagam. Kakara is Kavarga letter. Replace it by corresponding Chavarga letter, Jagam. Then after that, what will happen? Jagam is already third letter. So Abhyasa Charcha, third letter will be replaced by Jag only. That's why Jagama you get. Jagama, Jagmatuhu, Jagmuhu. Jagama means event. Litlakara form null when you add. What will happen to Upada? Upada becomes Ata Upada Yaha Dirgaha, right? It will happen Dirga. That is Vriddhikarya, Nitkarya. Therefore, content of null being A, therefore Jagama. This is how we get Jagama. Okay, anyway. So Jagam. Then Gru. Gru. Then here Rikara is there. Abhyasa. Replace it by A. Therefore Gar. Then Aladi Shesha Repa is dropped. Gru. Gha is fourth letter. Just remember, Abhyasa Charcha will apply later. So here it happens to be Kavarga letter. Replace it by corresponding Chavarga letter, which is Jakara. Jagru. Fourth letter. Abhyasa Charcha will apply Jagru. Jagru is the duplicated form. After that, you can add the Pratyaya and derive the Rupam. Similarly, Hru, Rikara, replace it by A. Therefore, Ar, Hru, Aladi Sheshaha, Hru. Rikara must be replaced by Jakara, Jaghru. Then Abhyasa Charcha, last sutra 8450, 54, that will apply. You get Jaghru. Is it clear? Do you follow? 8454
Yes,
apply, Jaghru. Then Jahas, Has Dhatu, Has, Ahas, Aladi Sheshaha, Hakara replaced by Jakara by this sutra Kugos Chuhu. Then Abhyasa Charcha, Jagas. Then Han. Then Ahan, Kugos Chuhu is applied, Jagan. Then Abhyasa Charcha, Jagan. Then Grak Dhatu, Grak Hrag. Then here what happens? Here, that's one separate sutra is anyway, this is not required. Another Abhyasa Karya is that. I remove that necessary. Okay. All Abhyasa Karya we need not see. Okay. This is not a context. Urat, this is the sutra. Rikara, replace. How do you split this? Urat. You split this. What is Urat? Sandhi
Uhu
Vichedam.
At. Uhu At.
Uhu At, right?
At, yes.
What is Uhu?
That Pratipadikam is Repa.
Pratipadikam is? U, right?
Yeah.
Like Guru?
Guru Shabda.
Really? Huh? No.
Like Urandrapraha, Repa will be there.
You know what the sutra says already, I told. Rukara is replaced by Akara. Then you can tell.
Rukara. Ru.
What is the Prajipadikam?
Ru.
It is Rukara. Therefore, Shashti Bhakti of Rukara is
Oh.
Pitra is Pituhu. Matra is Matuhu. Therefore, Pratipadikam is Rukara. Shashti Vibhakti of Rukara is Uhu. So Uhu means Rukara. Rukarasya sthane at adeshaka bhavati akaraha. Takara is what purpose? It's only Ucharana sthanam. Okay, because Adesha, we know Adesha will not bring its savarnas. So Rukarasya sthane akaraha adesha bhavati. Ruvarnantasya sthane ruvarna. Rukara, Rukara, both. Okay. Abhyasasya akara adeshaka bhavati. Okay, that is what this sutra Urat. Already we have seen this examples before. Then Arhru, then Aladishesha Hakru, Hakara Kugostugu is applied, Hakara replaced by fourth letter of the Chavarga letter, Jagru, then Abhyasa Charcha, Jakru. Similarly, Kru Dhatu, Dukring Karane, Kru. It is Kru, not Kru Kri. Okay, Kru, then Karkru, Kakru, Chakru. Already we have seen this. Bru Dhatu, Bru, then Barbru, Urat, then Babru. And further, what will happen to Babru? Not done, but you can tell, you know, how you know what will happen.
That Abhyasa Charchaha. That
By that,
Pakara.
Babru it will become.
Ba.
Fourth letter will be replaced by the just letter, third letter of the class. Then Tru, here you can see the example, Rukara, that's why Ruvarnantasya. Tartru, then Repa is dropped, Aladishesha, Tatru, you get Tatru. Okay, Tatru, that's a form. Vrish. Then Shakara is, okay. Here Rukara is, will be replaced by Vurat, Repa, therefore Varsh. So Aladishesha, what will happen? Repa and Shakara will drop. Babrish. So you have Babrish. Similarly, Krish becomes Krish. Kru is replaced by, that is Rukara is replaced by Ar. You have Karsh. You will have Karsh, one more step here.
1 minute, Ji. Why that Babru after that Bakara is there? Babru is it?
Where is that?
There in the third one, Babru. They're replaced by Bakara, is it?
Replaced by Baka, third letter. Abhyasa Charcha.
Ba, okay, that it looks like Bakara. Okay. Sorry, that's Shamita.
Yes. So here Kru becomes Krish, then Karsh. Burat is applied. Aladishesha, by Aladishesha you will have only Kar and Kar Krish. Then you will have Kakrish, and further Kakrish will be replaced by co-host to Chakrish, Itirupa. So that's how you get, okay. Finally, Chakrish is a form. Then Hrish Dhatu, Hrish, then Urat, Ar Hrish, Aladishesha, Hakrish. Vrit, Vrit, Aladishesha, Vrit. Okay. Is it clear? All of you?
Here, Rukara or Rukara, both are
both. That's why Ruvarnantasya. Ru means it's Savarna also. Rukara also. Right?
Okay. Both are replaced by Akara only.
Both are replaced by Akara.
Okay.
When we say Uhu, Sthani is Uhu means Pratipadikam is Rukara. Rukara is Sthani. Rukara will bring, if it is Sthani, other than Adesha, then it will bring its Savarna. Adesha cannot bring its Savarna. Okay. Rukara means Rukara, etc. All those can bring its Savarna. Lukara is also understood. Lukara also will happen. Not only for Rukara. If Lukara is there, for that also this will happen. Okay. Ruvarna means it's Savarnas. That's why Ruvarnantasya. Rukara and Lukara Savarna to each other. Therefore, Rukara will bring its Savarna forms. So Rasva, Dirgha, and Lukara also, all the 18 forms. But those 18 forms do not participate in Sandhi, therefore no problem. Only short and long. Asvarikara, Dirgharikara, and Likara being Savana, that are also included. But we don't have any such dhatu, so no, don't worry about that. Then Udahanam, yes. Further doubts?
No,
Then, then Udahanam, this Kru dhatu, already we are told how it is derived. Kru plus null, Litlakara, null is Prathama Purusha Ekavachan. Okay, it is, tip is replaced by null. Null atus was. If you want further, you can please go and check the where it will be. Tip is replaced by null. Which section? Which section of the Ashtadhyaya?
third only.
Third only. Tip is replaced. Where is tip? Tip is there in the other
Yes.
section.
No.
Tip is all added to the dhatu only. Therefore, it has to be in third section. So third section, third chapter, fourth section, you will see at the end. Three, four. Here you somebody is 78. Tiptasya, Siptasta, is that right?
Yeah. Yes.
Lasya.
This is 60.
Lasya is Thane, Tiptasya, that is Utsarga. Then 81. What is 81? Litaha, Tajayogo, Esirech. That is for Litlakara, Tha and Ja is replaced by Esh and H, Atmanipadi. Okay, they are not interested. Not Atmanipadi, sorry. That is, yeah, Litaha becomes Titlakara, Litaha. Now the Litaha coming from this sutra as Anuvritti to here. Parasmai Padanam, Nala Tusustala Tusa Nal Vamaha. What is this? Nal Atus Us Tal Atus Tal Atus Us Nal Nal Vamaha. That is, tip is replaced corresponding by null. Then tip tas is replaced by atus. Then G is replaced by us. So tip tas 18 9 pratyas are there. Here also 9 you have. Null atus us tal atus null va maha. Maha means Bhagavachan of maha. Null va ma. So for Parasmepadi, this will be the replacement. So therefore, tip is replaced by null. That's why Krudhatu, Litlakara Rupam, it is replaced by null. Maybe one step we can add. You can say tip here. Tip. Okay, I'll add one more step here. That is for this. For this, that is in fact, I'll add like this. Kru plus tip. I'll put it here. So this is Kru plus Litlakara. Litlakara Prathama Purusha Ekavachana. So you have now the Rupam. Litlakara, Litvivakshayam, Litlakara. So you add tip pratyaya. So duplication after that only. So Kru plus tip. Then by the sutra, Parasmai Padar null atus us, tip is replaced by null. Once you replace it by null, then only duplication happens. So that it be a Kru. Step by step, if you write, it will look like this. So Kru plus lit, then Kru plus tip. Tip is replaced corresponding by null. Then null being a lit lakara pratyaya, therefore abhyasa will happen. Kru kru. Then it is rikara, karkru. Then aladishesha kakru. Kugostuku chakru. So chakru plus null. Being a nit pratyaya, therefore vriddhi will happen. Kar, chakar plus a chakara. Chakara means it's equal to did. He did remote past, Paroksha. Last year it did. You can say Chakara. Okay. So this is how it is. So many steps are there in this. Next one, Abhyase Charcha. The last sutra what we saw. Abhyase Charcha. Abhyasasya sthane. Abhyase यह जल वर्तते तस्य स्थाने चर आदेश भवति चकारात् जश अपि. So therefore char will be the adesha in the place of first letter or the second letter, and by chakara we bring jash from the previous sutra, jalam jash. So that jash will be the adesha in the place of third letter or fourth letter of the class consonants. Abhyase vidyamanasya jal varnasya sthane yata yogyam, appropriately in keeping with जल वर्णस्य स्थाने जश वर्णादेशः चर वर्णादेशः वा भवति. Example, वर्ग प्रथमस्य first letter of the class consonants, वर्ग द्वितीयस्य च वर्ग प्रथमः आदेशः भवति. So first letter will replace the first letter or second letter of the abhyasa. तृतीय वर्गस्य or चतुर्थ वर्गस्य तृतीयः आदेशः भवति. Third letter, just letter will be the adesha in the place of the abhyasa which has third letter or fourth letter. So example, you can see da become da, only that much. Okay. What about jal? It includes this sibilance also. Shakara, shakara, sakaranam, tadrisha eva bhavati yataha. Same way that also, because char is includes shar also. Therefore, in the jal we have shar. Therefore, it will be replaced by shar means what? So shakara is replaced by shakara only. Talev shakara replaced by talev shakara, and mudane shakara will be replaced by mudane shakara, because shar includes shar also. So if shar letter are there, shar letter being a part of jal, suppose if shar is there, then shar will be replaced by shar only. There's no problem in that. Okay. And if it is hakara, that already we have seen, that will be replaced by jakara, therefore that will not be available here. It's okay, done. Okay, these are all some of the example of it comes. We'll move on. This is Abhyasa Charcha we have seen. Okay. Now we are going to see the Shabda. Okay. Shushu Shabda, now you see. Is it clear up to Abhyasa Karya? Some introduction, not elaborate.
Yes,
Some
teacher.
idea about that, how it comes. Okay. Now, Shushru was in the last class we saw. Now you apply that. Kosu is added in lit sense. So Kosu in lit sense is added, therefore it dhatu will undergo duplication. Therefore, Shushru. Shru is Abhyasa. So what will apply? Abhyasa, Aladishesha, right? So Repa will drop. Therefore you will have
Yes.
Shushru. Okay.
Yes.
Shushru plus was. After that, anything can happen. Abhyasa Charcha. Please do Abhyasa Charcha. Shakara will be replaced by Shakara
Shakara
only.
only.
That's it. Shushru. All understood. I have not written here. Shakara replaced by Shakara. No other Abhyasa Karya possible here. So Shushru. Then Shushruvas. We get Pratipadikam. Then we can decline this piece. Now in the last class. Shushruvas. Here the Pratyaya is Vasu, Ugitva, Dummagama, then Upadayaka Dirgaha, etc. Then finally you get the form Shushruvan, Shushruvamso, Shushruvamsaha, right? Already we saw that. Shushruvamsam, Shushruvamso. Here only one thing is, here what is the thing? Here it is, yeah, that Shushruvas plus us. In Basanya, Vasova Samprasaranam, this Vas will undergo Samprasaranam. So Vakara is replaced by Ukara. Then Samprasarane, sorry, 106108 will apply. So A plus U is, sorry, U plus A is
Savarna. Sorry.
U only. Then U plus U will become, no, here U plus U, this is a Dhatu, right? Dhatu plus this Vasupratyaya, then yes, Supratyaya is there. So, therefore here Achi Shnu Dhatu Bruvam, that will apply, right? Dhatu ending with Ivarna, Uvarna, when followed by Ach, what will happen? E will be replaced by Ia, U will be replaced by uv, right?
Yeah, one.
That's what
Yeah.
we saw.
Yes, Ji.
So,
Erale
one
Koch.
is-
Six, 4, 77, last
77 and 8. Yeah.
77 will apply, not 82.
Achishnu.
No, leave it. Last class I took Shnu. I mean, that's because this Dhatu is similar to fifth Gana, therefore Shnu I was telling. But
Okay.
Shnu is fifth Gana, Vikrana Pratyaya, therefore Achishnu Dhatu Purvam, and Ushnuvaho Sarvadhatika is that. Forget about Shnu. If you don't remember, it is okay. Just remember this, that is Ivarnanta Dhatu, when followed by Ajadi Pratyaya, don't apply Yan Sandhi. E will be replaced by, that is Ivarna will be replaced by E here, and U will be replaced by, Uvarna will be replaced by U.
Uva.
Okay. So therefore, here it is followed by, the, see, here Dhatu only. When you split this, what is that here? Shushru is Dhatu. Undergone duplication, you get Shushru. Then Vasu is the Pratyaya, Littakara Pratyaya, added to Dhatu only. By that only you get a Pratipadikam, after that you add Supratyaya. Okay. Now, when this has undergone Abhyasa Karya, previously it was a consonant. After Abhyasa it becomes, sorry, after this Samprasaranam, after Samprasaranam it has become, Vakara has become Ukara. So now it has become Ajadi Pratyaya. Us is a Ajadi Pratyaya. Previously it was Vas. After Samprasaranam it has become Us. Therefore Ajadi Pratyaya. When Ajadi Pratyaya follows, then what will happen? U plus U, U plus U, don't do Dirgha. Dirgha Sandhi is in 6110 section, right? 61101. But this is in 64 section. Dirgha Sandhi is also applicable. Achishnu Dhatu Purvam 6477 also applicable. Right? Then which will apply? Paratvam. Achishnu Dhatu Purvam should be applied. Therefore, U will be replaced by U. Don't apply Dirghatvam. Okay. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, Ji. Yes.
Achishnu Dhatu Purvam, is it clear or Sutra? You have to explain. Okay. Let me quickly say that. Achishnu Dhatu Purvam with the website only. We have seen that without a Sutra. Maybe in fifth Gana we will see that later. Quickly that Achishnu Dhatu Purvam. Forget about Shnu, forget about Bru. The Shnu is what confused it last time. Ajadi Pratyaya Pare, when followed by the Ajadi Pratyaya, leave the Shnu. We are not interested in Shnu. Dhatu Sanyakasya, that is important. Dhatu or that which has the Sanya Dhatu. Dhatu Sanyakasya. Bru also leave it. Bru is a Pada Pratipadikam Bru. So Dhatu ending with Ikara, Ivarna. Ikara or Ikara. Or Uvarna, Ukara or Ukara. Then it will be replaced corresponding by Yang Uvang. Right? This will apply. So don't forget this. Why I'm saying is, I've done a mistake in the last class. I tell you what it is. So, Achishnu Dhatu Bhruvam, that will apply. This is Apavada to Dirgha Sandhi, Apavada to, depending on the context, Yan Sandhi. So, Paratvam is there, therefore you have to apply. 6477. Is it clear? This one? I have not written Sutra. No.
Yes, Ji.
So U is replaced by U. Therefore, you get the form. Oh, I have written here. Oh, okay. Anyway. But here I have to write it. Put it here. Shushru. Shushru plus Ush. Shushru Ushaha, you get the form, right? Okay. Other forms already we have seen. I think we don't have to see. Should we see again? You know it, right?
Yes, Ji, we can.
Please tell if others you want to see it again, the forms, or is it okay? Can go by.
Understood, Ji.
Understood, right? So the same thing. Don't forget this. This when you do Basanya, replace U by U of the Dhatu by U. Therefore, you get Shushru U, Shushru Vusha. Okay. Then Shushru Vas plus Byam, this we know. What is that? Vas is replaced by Dakara. Vasu, Sramsu, Anadugham, Daha. So therefore, Shushruvat Byam, Shushruvat Bihi. Then Shushru Vushe, Shushruvat Byam, Shushruvat Byaha. Shushru Vushaha, Shushruvat Byam, Shushruvat Byaha. Shushruvat Byaha. Then Shushru Vushaha, Shushru Vushoho, Shushru Vusham, Shushru Vushi. Shushru Vushoho, Shushru Vatsu. Then Ye Shushruvan, no Upada Dirgatvam. Shushruvan, Shushruvamso, Shushruvamsaha. Now here, you see, I'll show you the mistake what I did in the which one? 1 minute. We saw that Tastivas, right? Not Tastivas. Tushtuvam, Badram Karnevihi, Tushtuvam. I told, right? Stadatu, by which we get
Yes,
Yes, G, yeah. we
that.
did.
There, what is a dhatu? Stu dhatu, right?
Yeah,
Like Shru dhatu, it is also Ukaranta dhatu.
yeah.
But you see, by mistake I did Dirgha Sandhi. This also will undergo that U Adesha only. Achishno dhatu Brahan should be applied. Therefore,
Tushtuvaha.
this forms all wrong.
Okay.
Okay, this form wrong.
Okay.
Anyway, this file is old file. That is why I just to show you only I kept this old file. Now in the new file I have corrected.
Tushtuva, it will come. Okay.
Yeah, that is that Shushtuva. Shushtuvam is previous, I think. So I'll copy paste that after here. Okay. It is there. In the new file I corrected. Last class I overlooked that. Here it is. Vidushi. Yeah, here it is. Just copy paste from here. Here Ushivas, there's no problem. Please note here. Here Ushushaha only. Because Dhatu is Vasdhatu. So it is not Ukaranta Dhatu, right? It's not Ivarna or Uvarnanta Dhatu. So here Ushushaha, that's no problem here. Please note this. The problem only with Stu Dhatu because it is Uvarnanta Dhatu. What is the Dhatu here for Ushivas? What is the Dhatu?
Ushi.
What is the meaning of Ushi?
Ikaranta.
What is Ushivan? What's the meaning of Ushivan? He lived from Vasdhatu, undergoing Samprasaranam, right? Please see.
Yeah, Vasitum from Vasdhatu will come.
Vasdhatu it is. So, if you see Samprasaranam I have done here.
Yeah.
Where is that Samprasaranam? Vasdhatu plus Kosu. So, Vas will become undergo Samprasaranam because this is the Kit Pratyaya, therefore becomes Us. Then this is like a lit only, therefore Us. Aladisheshaha Sakara is dropped, therefore Us. U plus U will become U. Then Sakara is Pratyaya Sakara. This is Vas Dhatu Sakara, right? But this also will undergo Shattam. By what sutra you know it? By what sutram? Not only Pratyaya Sakara, Adesha Sakara, but there is another sutra, Shasi Gasi, next one, 8360. By that it undergoes Vasdhatu also, Shasi Vasi Gazinam. Please see that we saw that also explained the last class. Shasi Vasi Gazinam, Shasi, not Shasi, Shasi, that is Shas Dhatu. This also explained the last class. Shas become Shishyaha, right? Shas and Vas is a Dhatu. And Gaslu Dhatu. So Shasi Vasi Gazinam cha. This is a sutra 8360. 8359 is our sutra Shattam. Inkoho Adesha Pratyaha. Then this Shas, Vas and Gas there, Sakara of the Dhatu also, when preceded by Innarku, will undergo Shattam. So therefore, by that sutra, here Sakara happens to be the Sakara of the Dhatu, Vasdhatu, Ekadesha Vikritam Ananyavata, even though Vas is has changed its Rupam, doesn't matter. It is Dhatu, it is Vas only, because Ekadesha Vikritam Ananyavata, that paribhasha you can apply. Simply a part changes. It doesn't mean it becomes something different. Like a dog's tail. Dog tail is removed. This remains a dog only. So therefore, this is a Vas Dhatu only. Therefore, Sakara of Vas Dhatu, by this sutra, what will happen? Undergoes Shattam. This is 8360. Therefore, Ush you have. Then, okay, let me put this here. So Ush plus and Vas. Vas is the This dhatu is a set dhatu, therefore taking ittagama, therefore ushivas. You get the form ushivas. Now here, it is for the pratyaya. Dhatu is what? Ush only. Is it not ivarna or uvarna? So, therefore, for bhasanya, when you add shas pratyaya, there what happens? Vasogo samprasaranam, by that vas, that pratyaya vas will undergo samprasaranam, will be replaced by u, right? Will be replaced by u. Then after that, what happens? After that, what happens? Here e also will not be there, because that ittagama is because of baladi. When baladi itself is replaced by u, therefore e also goes away, right? Nimittapaye, nimittikapayah. Therefore, what is there? Only ush. Ush plus push. So there is no here vowel. There is no ivarna or uvarna here. Therefore, here we don't apply achishna dhatu purvam. Okay. So don't get confused with the form of ushu. Ushu shaha. It's different. Do you understand this?
Yes, Ji.
I think so many things are there. Maybe it takes time to sink in the mind, but we have seen the last class. Please see. Many steps you have, you have to understand. I have not written everything in detail. Dhatu, the Pratipadikam is ushivas. Here, ikara is because of ittagama. So when vas undergoes samprasanam, when vakara becomes ukara, what will happen to ittagama? It goes away. So therefore, here it is push. So don't think how e has gone away. Akara is replaced by ukara. Therefore, e also goes away. Therefore, push. And here you have a plus u plus a, then us. You have having us, and sakara is of the pratyaya, right? Vas pratyaya. Therefore, replaced by modane shakara. So ush plus ush you have. So therefore, just melanam only. Shakara plus ushu, ushu shash, ushu, then ushu shaha with aspratya, dvitiya vibhakti bhagavachanam. So you get everything I've written due to samprasanam, akara replace by ukara. Therefore, which has come due to valadi also goes away. Nimittapaye, naimittikapaya. When the cause is removed, karya also goes away. So you get ushushaha. So what I'm saying is, don't confuse this form with the tushtuvas. Here it is ukaranta dhatu. Therefore, rupam should be different. And I changed it. I'll tell you how it is. Just I'll cut it, paste later. Okay. I'll just put it this after just putting it here after this 100. Pumsakalinga, who she was, then here I will put it. Here, not here, after Adhyasakarya. Before Shushruvas. Or after Shushruvas. After Shushruvas, I will place it. Because Shushruvas only the Achishnu Dhatu Bruvam application we saw. So it will be here after this. Now you see Tushtuvas. Sakarantaha Tushtuvas Shabdaha. Shtu is a dhatu. So therefore, Upadeshika dhatu is shtu. Then stu is the form, Tatva Dekeshaha Saha. Then lit lakara. Then lit lakara kosu pratyaya is added. Therefore, stu will undergo duplication. Stu. So now what will apply here? Aladisheshaha or Sharpurvaka Khayaha.
Sharpurvakaya.
Yes, Kai letter preceded by
Shar
Shar.
letter.
Therefore, Sakara will drop. Therefore, Tustu you have. Now, Tustu, you can see Ukaranta Dhatu, this is. Okay, Tustu. Then, of course, the Sakara undergoes Shtutam. You have tushtu, finally get tushtu, then tushtuvas. Now, tushtuvas, you can see the form. Tushtuvas plus Dvitiya Vibhakti Bhagavachanam, where Samprasaranam happens for Dasanya. So when Shas Pratyaya is added, then Tushtu plus Vasu is a Pratyaya. Vasogo Samprasaranam Bhavati, therefore it is replaced by U, therefore Us. Now this is a Ajadi Pratyaya following Ukaranta Dhatu. Therefore U will be replaced by U. Therefore you will have the form Tushtu Ushaha, like Shushru Ushaha. By mistake I wrote Tushtu Ushaha, that is wrong. Okay. Therefore form is Tushtu Ushaha in Basanya. Dhato ho Ivarnantasya Varnantasya Angasya Ajadi Pratyaya Pare Yanguvang Adesho Bhavataha. Therefore that is a Rupam. And the form of the table is given, yes. So therefore you have Tushtuvan, Tushtuvamsau, Tushtuvamsaha, Tushtuvamsam, Tushtuvamsau, Tushtu Ushaha. Understand? The last class I wrote Tushtu Ushaha, that is wrong. Tushtu Ushaha. Is it clear?
Yes, Chief.
So if it is the Ivarna, if the Dhatu is Ivarna or Uvarna, then you apply Achishnu Dhatu Brahvam. Okay. So that's why I said it's Apavada to Savarna Dirgha as well as Yen Sandhi. That is a point to be noted. Okay. Then let us do Chakruvas. What is Chakruvas? Okay, I'll copy paste and then we'll do Chakruvas. Chakruvas, Shushravas I'll copy. Anyway, I have to type it again. It's okay. Okay, basic. Chakruvas Shabda. It is Sakarantaha, Pullingaha, Chakruvas Shabdaha. How Chakruvas is derived from the Dhatu? Kru Dhatu. Dukring Karane, right? Dukring Karane, the Dhatu. Which Gana is that? Which is in the Tanadi Gana. Tanadi, Parasmepadi, it's Ubhayapadi Dhatu. Then Kru plus lit. What will happen? Kru plus lit. Kru plus Kosu. Then Kru. You can tell the Abhyasa. What will happen next one? Next step. Kru is
Kar.
Kar. It is replaced by Kar. So
Yeah.
Kar Kru, right?
Mhm.
After that,
Repa, Lopa.
Aladisheshaha.
Aladishesha.
Aladishesha.
Therefore becomes Kakru
Kakru.
plus was. After that,
Then that
Goshcha.
no. Kuvoshchuku will apply. Takara must be replaced by
yeah.
Chakara. Corresponding. So therefore becomes Chakru.
Sure.
Then Chakru plus was. Chakru was. That's what it's Pradipadikam. Means what? It's equal to Kritavan Ityartaha. He did. Right? Now let us decline this. Declension is easy. This is simple. Chakruvas. Chakruvas plus Su. What will happen? When Saranavasana Pratyaya follows, then Num Bhavati. So Chakru once, then Dirgatvam, Chakruvans, then Su Lopaha, Alnyabhyaha Dirghasati Chapraktamal, then you will have Chakruvans, Sayogantasya Lopaha, then you will have Chakruvan, right? Chakruvan means what? Chakruvan means it did, not Chakruva. Chakruva is the Pratipadika, the one who did. Chakru one is equal to did. He did. Then Chakruvas plus Au. This Chakruvas.
Chakruvamsa.
Chakruvas plus Au will become Chakruvamsa, right?
Vamsa.
And Ashtapadanta Sajali, everything is applied
Yeah,
Chakruvamsa.
324.
Chakravas plus Jas. Chakravamsaha. It's okay. We will do it later, right? Otherwise, it will take time. You can do it. Okay.
Yeah.
I will do Basanya only. Sorry, Parasanya. Chakravas plus Vyam will become. What will happen?
Replaced by Dakar.
Takara.
Chakravad-
Chakravadvyam.
Chakravarti.
Chakravadvyam. Chakravadbhigi. Then
Chakravadbhigi.
Saptami Vekti Bhagavachanam. One Ba, one Padasanya, and 7-3 will do. Other forms I will do it later and send you the document. You can go through. Then Chakra plus Su. What will happen here? Chakru Vad, then Chakru Vat, then Chakruvatsu. Right?
Yes.
Sambodhana. Is it Chakruvan or Chakruvan?
Chakruvan.
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 Dirghatva.
Now, can we chant the Shabda? Sakarantaha Pullingaha Chakruvas Shabdaha.
Sakarantaha
Chakruvan Chakruvamsau Chakruvamsaha.
Chakruvan Chakruvamsau
Chakravamsam Chakravamsau. Here. Oh, we are not done. Okay, one Basanya I told. Okay, Basanya, I said we will do it. Okay, let me go there.
2, 3.
Here. It is Chakra Vas plus Shas. What will happen? Chakra Vas plus Kuru. Vasogo Samprasaranam. It becomes Pus. Right? Then after that, Samprasaranam. So you get Chakra plus Pus, right?
Yeah.
Then after that, what will happen? This is not Ivarna or Uvarna. So no Achishtu Dhatu Dhruvam here. Therefore, what will happen? Apply the very commonly known Sandhi. What is the Sandhi? What Sandhi?
Yens.
Yen Sandhi. Equal Yanachi will apply. 6-1-71. That's the only difference. 6-4 and it's 6-1. So Yen Sandhi. Therefore, what will happen?
Chakrush.
Becomes Chakra, right? Repa, replaced by Repa.
Yeah.
So therefore, finally form you get Chakru, Chakrush. Chakrush plus As. You will have
Chakrushaha.
Chakrushaha. This is a form. Is it clear? Chakrushaha. And this will become Chakrusha. Okay, let us stand. Chakrushaha. Okay. Then Chakrusha, Chakruvadvyam, Chakruvadbihi.
Chakrusha, Chakruvadvyam, Chakruvadbihi.
Chakrushe, Chakruvadvyam, Chakruvadbhyaha.
Chakrushe, Chakruvadvyam, Chakruvadbhyaha.
Chakrushaha, Chakruvadvyam, Chakruvadbhyaha.
Chakrushaha, Chakruvadvyam, Chakruvadbhyaha.
Chakrushaha, Chakrushoho, Chakrusha.
Chakrushaha, Chakrushoho, Chakrusha.
Chakrushi, Chakrushoho, Chakruvatsu.
Chakrushi, Chakrushoho, Chakrushu.
Yeah, Chakravatsu. No, not Chakru. Chakravatsu. Okay. There is Chakru. Yes, Chakravatsu. Okay. Chakrushi, Chakrushoho, Chakravatsu.
Chakrushi, Chakrushoho, Chakruvatsu.
Esh Shakruvan. Esh Shakruvamsau. Esh Shakruvamsaha.
Chakruvan. Chakruvamsau. Chakruvamsaha.
Similarly,
You have to change 3 to here.
everything I have to change.
4.
Many things I have to change. Yeah, everything I have to change. I'll do all the things. I'll do it and send you later. Okay.
No, in
Just
the
a-
table you have
Yeah.
changed.
The table, yeah, just table I have to change. Not it completed. Now, this is same thing. I'll copy and do another one also. Chakravas did. Then we can do the next one. Chakravas did. Jagmivas. What is the dhatu Jagmivas?
Gum.
Gam dhatu.
Ah.
So let us do how the form comes. Jagmivas. Please see. Sakarantaha, pullingaha, Jagmivas. Jagmivas Shabdaha. Okay. Dhatu is Gam. Dhatu is Gam. Gam means, what is the meaning? Gam means,
Go.
Upade-
Tatau.
Gatau. Gamlu, Gatau. Dhatu is Gamlu. You can say it is Gamlu, Gatau. Which Gana it is? First Gana.
First gana.
Adhikari.
And Parasmepadi. Right? So now here, what are the things will happen?
Duplication. So gum plus gum.
Hmm.
Then gakara.
The Gam is a
Gagam.
Dhatu. Yeah.
Yeah, gagam will come. Then gakara will be replaced by jakara.
Aladisheshaha, then Gagam, okay, then after that, who goes to who?
Puhoschu.
Jakara will be replaced by
Jakara.
Jakara, then Jagam,
Gam.
then after that,
Gam is coming. Some E is coming.
E is coming. How to drive the E? What to do?
Itagama.
Hmm?
Itagama.
So Gam Dhatu, it has become some Ittagama. Is it Ittagama? Form you see, Jagmivas, not Ittagama, really speaking.
Mivas.
So what happened here? Not Ittagama. If Ittagama comes, then Jagamivas it will come, right? Not Jagamivas.
Mm.
Akara of Gam has gone away, right? Here Akara is there in Gam,
Mm.
that
has
is goes away. Therefore, huh?
Akara has become Ikara.
Akara
No Akara.
gone.
The Ikara, Ikara is
Okay, let me put like this. This is now this bus is Ardhatuka Pratyaya, Ittagama will come, right? Ivas. Now this is a Dhatu followed by Ajadi Pratyaya. Okay. Ittagama will come. Oh, please note, okay. In some case we are not Ittagama not added, some case we have added. It's not like that. The Dhatu is said, Ittagama will come, right? We know it's section.
Yes.
Dhatu has to be said and the Pratyaya has to be
Valadi Ardhata.
Valadi. Then it will only Ittagama will come. So in the previous cases, Ittagama, suppose if we have seen, it's because Dhatu is said and Pratyaya is Valadi. Now, Gam Dhatu, is it a said Dhatu? Please check your Dhatu Kosha. Yeah. No. It is not said. Only in Parasmepadi Gam is said. That is why in Lit Lakara, what is the future tense form? Lit Lakara.
Gamishyati.
Gamishyati. How you get Gamishyati? That is Gam plus T, Sya plus T. And it because in Parasmepadi it is it, therefore Ittagama. Therefore you get Gamishyati, right? Okay. Gam plus Ta Pratyaya. What is the Rupa? Ta is also Adhatuka Pratyaya. Is it Gamitaha? No.
No, Gata.
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 Why Ittagama not there? Because Dhatu is not a said Dhatu. But then why are you saying Parasmepadi in Lit Lakara you get Lit Lakara is Adhatuka Pratyaya. So and Sya comes. Sya is Valadi, Ardhatuka Pratyaya. But there Ittagama comes and the form is Gamishyati. Gam Dhatu in Parasmepadi, it will take Ittagama. Gamehe Parasmepadeshu. We have seen in its section very long back. Not it's it is Gamehe Parasmepadeshu. Please see. I think it's section only. 7.2 section. You just go to 7.2 where Adhatuka Stagit Valadehe is there. 7.2. Yeah, 7.2 section. We'll see before this. This is 7.2. Yeah. Do you see the sutra on the screen?
Mhm.
Where is it?
58. Gamerit
Gamege
Parasmai Padesh.
it parasmai padeshu, right?
Yes,
So
sir.
gam dhatu will take itagama when parasmai padi pratyaya follows. So kwasu pratyaya, lit is lit lakara, in lit sense we are adding. Therefore, lit lakara, it is a parasmai padi dhatu, right? So lit lakara, therefore when we add, therefore it will take itagama, simple. Okay. Because in parasmai padi, gam dhatu will take itagama. Therefore, lit lakara in here what we added is parasmai padi pratyaya only. So that's how we have to take it. Then therefore, was will take itagama. Understand? Yes.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Is it clear? Why I'm saying why this itagama comes? Otherwise,
Yes.
itagama will not come. Kosu pratyaya added in the sense of lit and gum plus lit. What do you get? You get parasmai only, right? Optionally, kosu pratyaya is added. So parasmai padi, gam dhatu being a parasmai padi, lit lakara has to be parasmai pratyaya only. And in place of parasmai pratyaya, lit lakara, we are adding kosu. That's all. Therefore, dhatu is dhatu will take, I mean, dhatu being here, gamehe parasmai padeshu, itagama bhavati pratyas. Pratyasya, adadatuka pratyasya itagama. Therefore, ivas. Now, this becomes what pratyaya? Ajadi pratyaya, right? This becomes
Yeah, Ajadi.
ajadi pratyaya. Now, that is the point here. But because of ajadi pratyaya, gam dhatu, when it is followed by, gam dhatu, when it is followed by ajadi pratyaya, then what will happen? Gam dhatu, when it is followed by ajadi pratyaya, ajadi kiti giti pratyaye pare, ajadi kiti giti pratyaye pare, then what will happen? And also one more thing, ajadi kiti giti pratyaya I said. Ajadi pratyaya is fine. And how it is kita? Okay, that and all we have not seen. Okay. When the lit lakara pratyaya follows the non-conjunct, then it will be deemed to be kit. That is, lit lakara will be treated to be kit when it follows non-conjunct, that is dhatu. Okay, non-conjunct dhatu, it will be deemed to be that. That's a sutra. Okay, I will not get into that. That you can just show you the sutra. We are not interested in that. Just quickly you can see. Otherwise, it will go. Everything you have to explain. That is not possible now. For 1.3 section, just quickly say. Just note that. We will see. Context will come in detail. We will see 1.3 section. 1.2, 1.3 or 1.2. 1.2. Sorry. Here, please see the sutram. Sarvadhatakam apit, right? Do you see that sutra?
Yes, Ji.
Sarvadhatakam apit. Apit means what?
It's not a pit.
Therefore,
Kit.
gitvat. Git we say in the beginning, but we know what it is gitvat bhavati, right? It's coming as anurti. Sorry. For this Sarvadhatakam apit gitvat. It is deemed to be a git. In the beginning, I said kit. That time, beginning means very, very beginning. That time we have not seen what is git and all. So Sarvadhatakam apit gitvat bhavati. Therefore, only doesn't cause angakarya, right? Sarvadhatakam apit, that is Sarvadhataka pratyaya, which is not a pit, will be deemed to be git. Therefore, no angakarya, right? That we know. Similarly, asanyogad, lit, that is lit pratyaya, following a non-conjunct, it means follows the dhatu ending with a vowel or a non-conjunct consonant will be deemed to be kith. Understand? Only that much. Lit
Yes,
lakara pratyaya following a non-conjunct. Non-conjunct means what? Either it should be a vowel or should be a just a consonant. Right?
Pancha.
No other, cannot have conjunct consonant. That's the point, right? Science on yoga. Then the lit lakara will be, because adadatuka pratyaya, it can cause angakarya. That is negated by making it kit. Because adadatukam kit or git cannot do angakarya, right? That's the idea. Okay, now here you see that gam dhatu followed by jagam dhatu followed by vas. Vakara is adadatuka pratyaya, ittagama comes. Okay, now following what? Gam, following a non-conjunct, right? Therefore, it will be what? Kit, right?
Nitvat. Yeah, nitvat.
Kit, here kit, not kit, but kit. So this is a kit pratyaya.
Okay, kit.
It's a kit. Now, why we are saying kit? Because dhatu, gam dhatu, followed by ajadi kit pratyaya, then gam dhatoho akaraha lopaha bhavati. That is a sutra. All these are extra. Okay. Again, I'm saying these are extra. How do we know this? Please see. One sutra is asanyoga the lit kit. Second one is, please see here. That is, I will just write the sutram there. You can go through that in detail later. I'll explain what it is. 6.4 section, you go to the 6.4 section. 6.4. Here the sutram is. Find out which sutram is that you can easily find out. Easy. Because the dhatu itself is there. Dhatu itself is there. Therefore, you can find out. What is that sutram?
Kamahana.
Exactly.
Kamahana
It is.
Janakana.
Kiti,
Ah.
Giti net.
Ati,
98.
iti.
98.
When follows, what happens? You have to bring the anuvritti, right? You have to bring anuvritti, and therefore, gam dhat. When gum is what is important? You are interested only in gum. So,
Makara
gam dhatoho akarasya lopaha bhavati. Okay. Now I will show you just a minute. You see the website. Sutra is this 6498. Gamahana jana khana gasam. For all these dhatus, lopaha bhavati. When kiti niti pratyaya pare, except anang, ang pratyaya, except ang. Anangi, leave it. That we are not interested now. So gam dhatu only we are interested. So yetesham dhatu na. So gam dhatu ajadu. Now we have itagama. Therefore, it is ajadi pratyaya. Ajadu, and it's also kit, because asanyoga the lit kit pare pratyaya pare lopaha bhavati. What lopaha? Dhatu nam upada varnasya. What is upada of gam? Akara. So therefore akarasya lopaha bhavati. 6498. This is a sutra. Applies there. Therefore only you have jagmivas. Okay. Therefore you have akarasya lopaha bhavati upadayaha. Therefore jagma. Then ivas. This is 6498. Is it clear?
Yes, Ji.
Yes. So by this you get akara lopaha upadayaha lopaha. Therefore you will have the form jagmivas. This is the pratipadikam. Sakarantaha pullingaha jagmivas shabdaha. Let us decline 1 1 2 3 3 2 and 7 3. Other forms you can do later. Jagmivas plus, what will happen?
Numagama.
Yes, you will have
Numagama. Then
yes. Numagama 170. You will have
Upadayaha
Jagmivan.
dirghaha.
Jagmivan. What is the meaning of Jagmivan?
One who is going.
Gone. Went.
Went. Past. Remote. Jagmivan. Jagmivan. Jagmivam. So Jagmivamsaha, Jagmivamsam, Jagmivamsau. What will happen here?
Bus.
Iyang,
Huh?
iyang adesha. Ikaranta.
Ikaranta because of
Uh,
Ittagama, but he will not be there because was will be replaced by us, not there,
mm,
right?
mm. Yeah.
Ramaji,
Yeah,
it goes away, right?
it goes away.
So when you, therefore, here I will write Jagmi here, you see, Jagmi plus was, then Vasoga Samprasaranam happens. So when Vakara is replaced by Ukara, what will happen to Ikara here?
Yeah, it goes away.
Therefore, Ikara also goes away,
So,
right?
Mm.
So therefore, you will have you will have that going away. Okay. Therefore, what is the form? It is
Usaha. Jagmusaha.
yes, it is Jagmu. The Ikara goes away. You will have Jagmu. Jagmu plus Us becomes Jagmush. This will remove it, not required. Other confuse you. This is not required. Can be there actually. Okay. This is not there. Go and actually. So you'll have the form Jagmush. Jagmush plus Us will become
Jagmushaha.
Jagmushaha. This is the form. Okay. Jagmushaha. This is the right form. Okay. It's very, you're not seeing the Shabda Manjari and all. You have to see only from some Kavya and all. I have seen the form. Adi Jagmushaha is there. The form is there in somewhere. So therefore the form is valid. Otherwise difficult to find out. Whether the form is valid or not, how do we know? What sutra will come and change something? The form is valid. So next one. Ba position, that is a para position. Jagmivas plus Byam. What will happen here? Jagmivat Byam. Straightforward. Jagmivat Byam. So other things you can do. Then 7-3 I will do. 7-3. Jagmivas plus Su will become Jagmivatsu. Done. Okay. This is how it is. Other forms can do. Then this is 2 earlier homework. You can try. Ni Nivasa. What is Dhatu? Maybe I just do the Vyasa. How it comes. Ni Dhatu, right? Ni Dhatu plus Vasa. What will happen? Nini, right? Is it Ni? Dirgani. Okay, sorry. Ni, Naya. So it becomes Nini.
Then Nini. Raswati become Nini.
Nini. Then after that, there is one more. Okay, Abhyasa Karya is there. By that, this Ikara of this becomes Ni. Anyway, I will remove that. I think that Abhyasa Karya, we can see that later, 7-4 section. It was there. I copied, pasted, and I thought I had not required. I removed it. That is Ni Dhatu. That is by the Sutra Ninivas. 1 minute, I'll just see in the section how it is formed. Okay, this also Vasdhatu following a non-Saisanya. Therefore, this is a Kitvat, right? Kitvat Bhavati. Then, if we see that 7-4 section, that Abhyasa Karya I have not added. It's okay. All Abhyasa Karya if we add, then the whole Abhyasa will be seen. That's why I not added, but I'll show you what sutra is that. 7-4. Yeah. Yes, here in the sutram is there. Find out where it is. The screen it is there. 7-4 section, Abhyasa section. There you have the form. I mean that not form, that sutram is there. What is that? Dirgaha inaha kiti. That's a sutra.
Okay.
Okay. When kit pratyaya follows, that is why I said this is a asanyogat lit kit. This vasu, that vasu kwasu is a kit pratyaya because follows the ni dhatu asanyoga, therefore kitvat bhavati. When kit pratyaya follows, in will take dirga. Inaha angasya. That inaha angasya means dhatu must be ending with in dhatu, in anga. So here nini is E, in. Therefore, abhyasa, what will happen? Abhyasa will become dirgha. So, innantasya, angasya, abhyasasya, dirghaha bhavati. Now you see, dhatu is inanta dhatu. E, u, r, l. Here, ni is that inanta dhatu. Inanta dhatu, first you have to make it rasva. Then you may ask, why should we make rasva and dirgha? No, you have to do it. First make it rasva. Then after that, this being a kit pratyaya, and dhatu is inanta dhatu, tasya abhyasasya ikarasya dirghatvam bhavati. Therefore, ni. Therefore, ni, it becomes ni. So, ni nivas. Then this ni becomes rasva. This ni becomes rasva by what sutra? Ni nivas. I'll check and tell you. Okay, I don't recall. The form is ni nivas. Form is ni nivas. This is also dirghasya sthane. Okay, this I will see. What sutra is applied here? Got to check. Okay, that I will tell you later. Okay, how that comes. So anyway, the form is ninivas. I'll tell you in the next class. You can try this ninivas shabda. Similarly, jagmivas. Dhatu is andhatu. Andhatu, all the known sutras are applied. That also abhyasa karya. I'll tell you in the next class. Han will come and jagnivas you get. So these two pratipadikam you can try. Ninivas and is it ninivas or ninivas? Let me check. I think it must be ninivas. Form has to be. But the form itself, I have to check whether I wrote it correctly or ninivas or ninivas. The pratipadikam itself, we have to check. Okay, I'll check the pratipadikam. I'm not sure about the pratipadikam. It is ninivas or nivas. 1 minute, I will check it now itself. Is in this shabda you can see in Antoine volume 1, last lesson. The last before. Just before that, you will see this one. Yeah, here it is. Ninivas. Okay, it is Ninivas. Okay, I wrote it wrongly. You can see that. There is no sutra applies here.
Yeah,
Okay,
ninivas. Yeah.
This Ninivas. In the Anton, all these lessons we will see when we get time. You know that the classes what I post, which I took in the Gurukulam, all the shabdas I have covered. These lessons and all I have covered. Anton, we don't have time to cover in the here online class here. So you please watch it. All the exercises, everything have been done there. So this Anton volume 1, and this is just the end part of the volume 1. I've done volume 1, volume 2 both completely. All the exercises, everything done. So this is every shabda, even this also, everything we have done. We have time, we can watch that later. This is 21, 22 exercise. Here only Chakurvas, Jagnivas, Ninivas. I wrote it wrongly. Okay. That's why I got confused. It is Ninivas. So therefore, no problem. This is how it is.
Ninivas, no, Ji.
Ninivas.
Ninivas. Not Ninivas.
It is Ninivas, short ni, yes.
Yes.
Not Ninivas. It is Ninivas. That's also wrong. Ninivas. So dhatu is ni only, ni, then rasvaha, nini.
That rasvaha applies.
Then
Yeah.
Ninivas.
That's all.
Okay, now it is correct. And Jagni was also is easy. I mean, easy means you know Handatu, that Hakara is replaced by Gakara. Anhan, therefore Ahan, Hahan. Okay, then what you have? Hakara will be replaced by who goes to who? Replaced by Jakara, right? Jahan.
Yeah, Jahan.
Finally, you will apply Abhyasa, but anyway, before itself, I just do it. Okay. And this will take Vasprataya. Okay. Vasu, when you add Handatu, is it a state or what is that Dhatu?
Handatu.
Handatu. Will it take just check? Is it a state Dhatu? Handatu. Please find out.
Handatu is yeah, Anit.
Anit. So no problem. Therefore, it will not take it right. Okay.
Yes, yeah.
So, but there is one sutra which says Handatu when it is followed by Handatu when it is followed. Here, what happens? This Akara of Han goes away, right? Number one. Akara of An goes away. How it goes away? If you remember, we have seen Ho Hantehe Ginneshu one sutram.
Yeah.
Okay,
Yeah.
please.
Anti, Gnanti, that.
Anti, yes, that's what. Anti Gnataha Gnanti.
Gnanti.
You can see there, here the form is given.
Oh, Anti.
These two sutras will apply. One is Ho Antehe Ginneshu. When Git Pratyaya follows, Andatasya Akarasya Sthane Takaraha Desha Bhavati. That is number one. Gittar Nittar Ni. Then what is that? Here we have seen this. Allopanaha, that will apply, right?
Okay.
Basya Upadayaha, this is very specifically for Handatu. I mean, Handatu, when it is followed by
Ba.
Handatu, when followed by Bhasanya, but here it is not Ba. Akara of An goes away. Therefore, by you have Jakn, then Vas. When Akara is followed by Nakara, then Kara replaced by Gakara, Jagna, and that Akara is then Ivas, then it is get Itakama also. Form you
Oh.
get Jagnivas. Okay, we have to find out. Okay, I will find out later. I don't know how it is. I'm doing reverse. I don't really remember. We have to find out how Jagnivas comes. But the Gakara, we remember, O Antehe Ginneshu, that comes. And Akara goes away. Akara goes away. You have to see that in 6-4 section probably. Vasogo Samprasanam, etc. Anyway, I'll just check that. It takes some time for me to work on this, how it comes. I'll see. I'll find out and tell you. But this is fine. Ninivas you can try. Jagnivas also you can do. It has nothing to do with the Shabda. How the word comes, that is extra in this context. Okay.
Yes,
So we'll stop here. Any doubts you have?
No.
Abhyasa, you can work on this. And similarly, other forms, other such things I have done. Okay, I think we will do it in next class. Chikir Shabda. Okay. Not only Chikir, other dhatus, duplication. We'll see. We don't have time. Om Purnamadav Purnamidham Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadhaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Harihi Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Harihi Om. Very difficult to remember everything. At least you understand it's okay.
Yes, yeah.
I also don't remember that how this comes. Then all the things will be available with you. It means you have to dwell in this all the time. It is more than a grammarian. No, one Swami told, I'm not a grammarian, I'm a Vedantin. Anyway, but for Vedanta also grammar is required. So as much you can do grammar, that much. If you're fully into grammar means you will remember everything, but not fully. Vedanta plus Vyakaran. Okay, I will find out this and tell you what it is.
Okay. Dhanyawad.
ధన్యవాదాలు.
ధన్యవాదాలు స్వామి.
ధన్యవాదాలు.
ధన్యవాదాలు.
ధన్యవాదాలు.